The Larson Electronics pole mount distribution transformer offers powerful, reliable, and efficient power distribution in outdoor and public locations. This power distribution system is designed for overhead pole mount installations. With a transformer rating of 100 KVA, the industrial transformer features a primary voltage of single-phase 19920 and 34500Y, and a secondary voltage of single-phase 120 and 240 volt. This transformer features a 5-position tap changer, which allows for small changes to voltage. This system comes with a lightning arrestor on the H1 primary terminal. Designed for overvoltage and transient voltage protection, the components prevent damage caused by lightning, internal switching, or voltage surges. Larson Electronics, building trust since 1973. Contact us today.